My Instagram shopping client asked me to rebrand their website, and I did it in a few hours only. Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Lydia, a social media marketing expert, website designer, and digital creator that is meant to help you boost your income and visibility online. So if you're interested in those topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. In today's video, I will show you a website transformation in only a few hours that I did for a client of mine. She had a jewelry business and she asked for a rebranding. Again, this was not a paid collaboration. I just did it as a bonus to her purchasing the Instagram shopping service and me enabling that shop for her. And now I got around to filming this, and I will tell you all about how I rebranded her website to make it look a little bit more modern, simple. For this, I used a free Shopify theme, and you can do the same if you want to rebrand your website today. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing I did was figure out what her branding was all about, and I changed it to kind of black and white, but I kept her accent color, which was purple, but I made it a darker purple so it would go really well with the modern look that I had in mind. I recreated her logo to be more simple, more elegant, more sophisticated, and I used a free Shopify theme and I added the logo to her website. The next thing I did was set up the shop announcement with the signature purple that I added, and then I added the slider in which I added 3 images. Now, for each of those images, I created them in Canva because the images she had were too big, so I worked with what I had from her and from her old website, and I put some images together for categories. For example, for the rings category, I added multiple images and then a link to the rings collection and a few words about the collection. After doing this for all the slides, I then decided to move on and keep what she said about her website. She had a few words on her website about her brand and what they're all for, and so I kept that, but I did it in the design of the theme. So I only redesigned the layout. The next thing I wanted to do was showcase the products and the collections. So I first showcased all the collections, so when people go and look on the homepage, they can see all the collections that they can shop from. And then over the entire homepage, I added some more images with text telling a little bit more of the brand story and a little bit what the products were made out of, how were they designed, and all that. So I designed a fuller homepage with a little bit more value. Then I showcased some products in a collection. Then I did the same thing with the image to fill it out a little bit, and I kept doing that until all the collections were ran out. I think the more simple look really suits this brand because the jewelry stands out a lot more. Then I went and saw the collection pages, product pages, and I saw that everything is set up right for that theme, for those specific pages, as well as the contact me page, privacy policy, about me, and all that. I also made sure that the navigation menus are all right and they are nicely designed and placed. And then I also took a look at the footer menu, the newsletter. For the Instagram feed, she would have had to connect her Instagram. So what I did was write her username there, and you can add the app in Shopify. So here's the look of the website in the beginning. It was a simple website, very nice, but I think that this design suits the brand a lot better as it is more elegant, more sophisticated, and more suitable for a jewelry brand. So this is how the end product looks, a design that I did for a Shopify website in only a few hours. If you like this type of jewelry and you like her website, make sure to go and follow E&A Jewelry on Instagram, and you can also find the links below to their website. Overall, I am really pleased with how this turned out. And if you need somebody to design your website from top to bottom, my website design services are linked in the description below. Again, this was not a paid collaboration because I just rebranded her website a little bit and I just added a new theme. Usually for a website design client, I take everything from scratch. I learn about their brand, I list the products, I list everything, I write the about me page, I write things about the brand and all of that. But again, this was just a rebranding of a website. It was not a full website design. So again, don't forget to check out E&A Jewelry 50 on Instagram and on their website. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. And you can follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess for more tips on boosting your visibility and sales with social media. If you're interested in any of my services, you can contact me on Instagram or on my email, or you can fill out the forms that you will find on my website. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.